want to show you the solution I came up with for my mailbox latch, which is clearly in a brick container. So I don't want to have to remove the mailbox to fix it. The issue is usually there's a metal latch here that wears out over time that hooks on the lip at the top of the mailbox. Well, mine broke off, and so now my mailbox door blows open really easily. So I came up with a cheap solution, or using magnets. So I'll kind of show you the process. So from Lowe's or any hardware store, you could probably buy this magnetic cabinet latch. I paid $2 for each of these, and I bought two. So this is what it looks like in the package. I'm going to get it out and kind of show you what it looks like. So it comes with some hardware here. You've got some screws that we won't need. The magnet we're interested in is inside this plastic container. So what I'm going to do is break off the plastic so that I can use just the magnet. We also don't need this little metal plate here. That would be used if you're using it on cabinet doors or something. So I'm just going to get my hammer and give this plastic a couple good strikes to break it. There we go. So I'll get the magnet out now. I want to be a little careful, apparently not hit it too hard. I chipped the magnet here, but it should work just fine. So now I'll show you how to put this in the mailbox. What I'm going to do is, it's got these two metal plates on each side. You can see those, and the magnet's in the middle. I'll just take off one of the plates and I'll glue the other one onto it using some super glue. So I'm going to glue it so that one side of the plate sticks out like this, and that's what's going to use to connect to our mailbox door. So I'll show you how that works. So I've got the metal plate here, the magnet here. Just going to put some super glue on the metal plate and then glue the magnet on. Alright, now I'm going to turn the camera off because I need to use two hands for this. So now you can see it's glued on, and I've got the one end of the plate sticking out, and I'll go show you how I'll put this in the mailbox. Okay, so I've already got one over here on the side. You can see the magnet is up against the mailbox wall. Let me show you what this looks like. So the magnet goes inside the mailbox wall, and the plate sticks forward to connect to the door once it shuts. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the opposite side with this new one that I made. And so now I've got one on each side. The plate is sticking out for both of them. So now when I shut it, the magnets catch, and now I've got a magnetic connection as opposed to a mechanical connection that could break over time. Should last for a long time.